Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Stocks with You. I'm your host, Ulises Herrera. Guys, today we're going to talk about Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum because it is very important, because I do unfortunately see something coming in the charts that I need to warn you guys about. And I've been gone for a while. I've been on vacation, and I also been dealing with a lot of personal stuff, just regular busy stuff, business and helping family out in general. So just I have not been here. I apologize, but now I'm back. Alrighty guys, we're gonna talk about Dogecoin first because I think Dogecoin is very important for us to watch right now, guys. Stick with me through the end of the video, guys. It is very important that you know what's going on so you don't buy Dogecoin at the wrong time, or you buy it at the right time. Alrighty guys, let's get started. Guys, as we see here, Dogecoin, it is really touching the 200-day moving average right here, guys. And if Dogecoin doesn't hold the 200-day moving average, that tends to not be a great sign, guys. And I'm going to show you why, guys. So right here, the MACD is looking already on the one-day chart. The MACD looks like it's running out of steam. We had this minuscule little pump, and then now we're trending down towards the downside, guys. If the MACD once again does the crossing and it goes into the red zone, which we haven't even seen right here, it will definitely be breaking below the 200-day moving average, guys. It is very possible once again to see it is very possible to see once again a 15-cent Dogecoin, 18-cent Dogecoin for a bit. If it doesn't not hold 15 to 18 cents, guys, I think we could spell some trouble. We could even see a 0.068 Dogecoin, guys. That's about 6 cents, guys, almost 7 cents. Let me show you guys why I'm saying this. First of all, because you may say, what the heck, why are you saying that? Well, guys, I'm going to show you right here what happens when Dogecoin breaks below the 200-day moving average, guys. The last time Dogecoin did not hold the 200-day moving average right here, this very last time was, let's see here. Wait, there's some more. Okay, I pointed out a few already just so you guys could see what happens. So here we are, guys. This was on March 20th, around the crash, guys. Here is the 200-day moving average line, guys, the red right here. Whenever the 200 and the 50-day cross, that's what you would call a death cross, and that usually spells bad things for any asset crossing the death cross. Not always. People say it's a lagging indicator, but once again, at least when you fall below the 200-day moving average, guys, look what happens. If you cannot hold this red line, you could see a huge jump of 47% at here. This was 47%, and then it wicked down to 47%, and then right there a minimum of 30% right there, a minimum of 30%. This was on March 2020. Once again, it happened again right here in November of 2019. We did not hold the 200-day moving average, and once we fell below the 200-day moving average, we went down 25%. There it is. It happened here again in August 2019. When we fell below the 200-day moving average, we went down 27%. Okay, so what happened here when we dropped as well? In October 2018, when we did not hold the 200-day moving average, we had a disgusting dump of 50%, guys. Right now, we are treading water, unfortunately, guys. Now, can we maintain bullish on Dogecoin for the long term? I think so, of course. But, guys, you need to be aware of what's coming to your portfolio if you're a long-term Doge holder, guys. It is very possible that if we do not hold the 200-day moving average, guys, I just showed you what happens. A minimum of a 30% drop. Minimum. A 30% drop from here would be a 15 cents, as I was saying earlier. At minimum, we could probably see a 15-cent Dogecoin, guys. And if we hit a worst case scenario of a 50% drop, then we will see a 10-cent Dogecoin, guys. So I'm not here to spread FUD. I'm not here to tell you that, you know, I'm against Dogecoin. I have a long-term Dogecoin portfolio, but guys, we have to read the raw data, and the facts are right there, smack dab on our face. If Dogecoin does not hold a 200-day moving average, we could unfortunately see it drop way below that. And once again, the 1 week chart, guys, as I mentioned to you a long time ago, the 1 week chart was already looking weak as it was. It doesn't look like we're breaking out anytime soon, guys. It unfortunately does not. Just like Bitcoin, we've been stuck, and I mentioned this to you guys over and over again a long time ago, and then I got, you know, crucified for saying Dogecoin was gonna drop and stuff. But the raw data is here, guys. Keep your eye on Dogecoin, guys, because unfortunately, I would not recommend buying right now. I would hold to get a better price. And if you already have a long-term portfolio, then keep holding. If you believe Dogecoin will just shoot back up one day, then keep holding, guys. We are all hoping that happens, guys. Let's go next to Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin on the 1 week chart, it looks like the end of the dump has been seen. It looks like it. We broke below this line right here. This really, it's like a support line, guys. The $28,000 to $29,000 level. We tiny bit broke down below it. Once again, guys, it looks like it could be done, but we just never know. We're off red, but we could just keep going down, guys. We could see another red box again, and then just keep going down until eventually we break back up, which we will. We will break back up in Bitcoin. That's not a doubt. It's just a matter of time. Excuse me, guys. I have the hiccups. It's just a matter of time when we do break up again. I'm not saying Bitcoin is done. I'm not saying anything like that. I have a huge long-term Bitcoin portfolio, but in the short term, I do believe on the 1 day chart we could be retesting the $29,000 to $29,000 area, guys. So if you check it out, the MACD right here, it already looks like it's running out of steam, guys. So let me show you. MACD right here, it looks like we were running out of steam, and then we got a little bit volume towards the upside, but it's really not enough, guys. If we go down to the lower time frames, you could see that we're running out of juice, unfortunately. Right here, we're going on the off green. We're running out of juice. Right here, we're starting to get this candle where it's going to show us that we're probably going to break towards the downside on the 4 hour. The 4 hour doesn't have a lot left, guys. If you could see the volume is red. It's not positive. The lower time frames as well, guys. Red. This red dot right here on the cipher beat indicators, guys, that usually tells me that we're gonna see a bit of a drop coming, because last time we got a red dot as well. You could see we had a pretty a drop come in. The drop was here, what was it? Right here was, you know, 5%. Nothing to scoff at, nothing huge, but once again, it is very possible that we will be retesting again the $29,000 area to $28,000 area. I don't think that's out of the picture within the next couple of days, guys. Once again, the 2 hour running out of steam. We're starting to see a lot more red coming in. The 1 hour, the 1 hour already has a lot of red coming in, guys. So whenever you start to see no volume or negative volume on every time frame, and especially on the major time frames, that usually doesn't indicate anything positive, unfortunately. Not saying for the long term, just saying for the short term, guys. We could probably once again be retesting the $29,000 area. More buying opportunities for me and everybody else who really believes in Bitcoin in the long term, guys. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum, same exact thing, guys. The 1 hour is looking stressed. It's looking like it's running out of steam. We look like we are gonna get a more negative volume coming in for the 2 hour. Same thing, 2 hours almost completely out of steam, coming down towards the downside. 3 hour running out of steam as well. The 4 hour, same thing, I can guarantee you. 4 hour is very interesting, I guess. Wow, I wasn't expecting this. The 4 hour looks like it could have a little pop, but once again, the 1 day chart, which is the bigger time frame, which is really what's going to indicate what's going to happen in the next few days, it's running out of steam. It's a matter of time until these two indicators right here close up, touch, and then we go towards the downside, guys. That's just unavoidable. Eventually it's gonna happen, and we are right here. That means we're gonna touch the bottom of probably of this channel again that I have drawn out consistently. I've been correct, guys. Look at this. I told you guys I drew these lines a while ago because I saw that this was a major point of resistance, and right here we had resistance, right here we had resistance, right here we had resistance, right here we have resistance, guys. We just been trying to test to get out of the $23 to $2,500 area. We have not. I do see a possibility of us going down to 1900 at minimum. And at minimum, we probably will be retouching the $1,700 Ethereum coin, guys. I think that is coming within the next couple of days. Once again, more buying opportunities, guys. More buying opportunities for me. The 1 week chart, same thing, guys. It's not looking like we're gonna get out of this anytime soon. It's not easy to get out of a negative downtrend on the 1 week. If anything, right here looks like we try to build some support, but no, I don't think it's coming in, guys. Though we're gonna see a bit of a dump towards the downside in the next couple of maybe hours, days. I don't see, unless something majorly bullish happens. I just don't see it, guys. So just to keep a heads up, guys, if you're a short-term trader, I wouldn't be going into a trade right now, that's for sure. I would be waiting to see that dip and then buying the dip. And if you're long-term, keep holding and keep accumulating, guys. Once again, thank you very much for watching. That will be it for now. I will see you guys on the next one. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bells so you guys can get these time-sensitive alert videos. Thank you very much. You can always get out of the rat race too.